This Local for You segment is sponsored by Stoughton Health.
We're here at Stoughton Health with Dr. Henningsen. It is great to be with you here today. For our viewers, what is your specialty? You are part of the ortho team.
Yes, I'm an adult reconstruction orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in muscle-sparing approaches with modern technology, including robotics, specifically to the hip and knee, replacing hip and knee, not only primary revision, but also revision hip and knee surgery.
And I can imagine so many of us have known somebody who's had to, manage one of these conditions. What inspires you to do this, or what inspired you to get into this?
Yeah, as an engineer, I like to be on the forefront of technology, and I worked with surgeons as an engineer who applied their skills to help people directly. And that's what I wanted to become, somebody who uses modern technology and my skills to help people.
That's fantastic. Thank you for sharing that with us today. And of course, you can learn more right about here at Stoughton Health with their ortho team. Go to orthoteam.com for more.